Hello, today I want to show you how to recess some letters on a curved surface. So let's start with that. We got our free subscription of Onshape here. We're going to go create document and we're going to type in here recess and we're going to write wrap. Okay, it creates a brand new document for us. All right, to start this, we're going to create our first circle on the front view right here. So we're going to create sketch, front, and we're going to click on this circle, center point circle, click on that origin point right there, and we're going to go with like 50. Click over here, hover over that, type in 50, and now we can click on our front. Notice this is black, that means it's fully constrained to that origin. Okay, that's good, that's exactly what we want. All right, finish the sketch. Now we can take this and we can extrude this. So let's go with extrude. We're going to click on that guy right there. We're going to pull this, let's say like a 150 millimeters. Okay, solid new 150. Now we're going to create a brand new plane that goes on the very top of this. So we will go over here to plane. We're going to go with offset. So we offset that. Let's go up. We just have to be above that. So as long as we're above that, I'll just put in 50. All right. And now let's hide a couple of these planes. So we're going to click here. We're going to click Y, Y, and we don't even need this one now. We can just concentrate on that one right there. So let's go to the top view right here. And now we're going to create a sketch on this plane one, which is above this body right here. Okay. So let's go with sketch, plane one. Okay. Now we're going to create our text. So let's go over here to text, click on that guy right there, and we're going to just kind of drag and drop it. It's going to be the wrong size, but we're going to say this is recessed. Okay. And notice that's quite large and it's the wrong orientation. So if I want to rotate this guy, I'll have to do that right here. Let's do a transform. Let's grab that transform. This should give me some something to transform it here in a second. I think we want to. All right, there we are. This popped up. It wasn't there before. So now I want to take this right here and I'm going to rotate that. Okay, 90 degrees, and then I can pull this around and I can then shift it there. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the left button to confirm that. And you notice that changed. Okay, so now we need to make the size of this. So let's go change the size. D for dimension, or that guy right there. Click here, and we'll change this to like 15. 15's rather, it's okay. We can make it a little bigger if we want. So if we want to do that, just click, hold, drag, pull that guy in, and we can change this to, let's say, 25. There we go. Looks better. Let's see if all the words fit now. Well, we're going to get out of that guy, and we're going to grab this circle right here, and we're going to pull this guy in, and we're going to try to fit this within our area. So, yep, the letters, everything looks good. The letters fit. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to finish that. Okay, now we want to take these and we want to basically project them, or what we'll call wrap. We're going to wrap these onto this surface right here. So let's go over here to this wrap right here. So if you don't see it right away, it's going to be under transform. Usually you'll see transform. We'll click here and we'll go to wrap. Okay, so now we're going to choose our surface. So this is our surface, or we could choose sketch 2, and then our target is this guy right here. So it's going to project that onto our target right there. Okay, and now we need to finish that. So green check to finish that. See how it wrapped that onto there? It still has a sketch 2. If we want to click on the eyeball, it shows sketch 2. But now what we can do is we can thicken. We're going to thicken these letters. So let me click on this and I'm going to hide that, get it out of our way. And now we're going to take these and thicken them, or actually do the opposite of thicken. So we'll remove, and we will click on these faces right here. So let's see if I can click on wrap and it collects them all, but it's not. How about that one? Nope. Okay, so I actually have to go thicken, and I have to choose each one, remove. I'm going to go 2 millimeters recessed within it. So each one of these guys is recessing now as I click on it. Okay, and now I want to merge that with this guy right here. Okay, green check. There we are. That's our finished product. Now we have recessed text on a curved surface, and it's all rounded text. It's not flat. If you did it, if you just extruded from here, you can make this text flat. so that what you would do is you just grab this guy right here and you could just pull him down. You see how that one's totally flat and this one actually is on a curve. So thanks for watching. Bye.